Okay, so last class ಅಲ್ಲಿ what did we do? We did matching conditions with number set. ಅಂದ್ರೆ some conditions will be given and then MCQ questions ಅಲ್ಲಿ number series ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಯಾವ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅದು we should find that out. Okay, so last class ಅಲ್ಲಿ one question we did. Today we'll do one more question. ಅಂದ್ರೆ one more passage ತರ. With today we'll end this topic. Okay, so we'll start. So first rules, I'll give the rules, okay, for today's question. Rule number 1 is square the number and add it to the number. Square the number and add it to the number. So idu notation, if the number is n, so how do I write this? First square ಮಾಡಬೇಕು number. Okay, so first you should do square, n square, and then add it to the number. ಅಂದ್ರೆ first square ಮಾಡಬೇಕು and then you should add it to the same number. ಅಂದ್ರೆ n square plus n. Okay, ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? First rule, how I got n square plus n. So first square the number and then add it to the same number. Okay, that is rule 1. Rule number 2 is divide the number by 2 and multiply by 3. Divide by 2 and multiply by 3. Andre, what is this meaning? Divide by 2. Andre, first n by 2 multiply by 3 into 3. Andre, it is 3n by 2. n place alli any number you can give. Okay, ivaga last class alli we saw, correct, n yav order allittu? n we got it as 4, 8, 16, 32. You remember this order? E order alli we solved 2 questions. So atara n can be any number. So this is rule number 2. Rule number 3 is add square of number to half of the number. Add square of number to half the number. First you should square the number and add it to half the number. Half andre, what is half of n? n by 2. So n square plus n by 2. Idu artha aita everyone? Rule number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so simple. First square ಮಾಡಬೇಕು and then add square of number to half of the number. Half of the number andre n by 2. So we should do n square plus n by 2. This is rule number 3. Now rule number 4. Subtract half the number from square of number. Subtract half the number from square of number. Idu try ಮಾಡಿ. What ಇದು equation, how should I write the equation? ಇವಾಗ rule 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ I am adding half the number to square of number. 4th rule ಅಲ್ಲಿ I should subtract half of the number from square of number. So ಇದು equation, what will be the equation? See, simple. Rule number 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ plus ಇದೆ. Why? Because I should add it. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ I should subtract half of number from square of number. Square of number is n square. From this ನಾನು half number subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ n by 2. n square minus n by 2. Did you understand this, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Final last rule, add 5 to square of number. Add 5 to square of number. ಇದು ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಇದು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? add 5 to square of number. Number is n. So equation, what will be the equation? Can anyone try? I should just add 5 to square of number. So what is square of number? Square of number andre n square. For n square, 5 add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ n square plus 5. Okay. 5 rules artha aita? What are the 5 rules?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first n square plus n. Second rule 3n by 2. Third rule n square plus n by 2. Fourth rule n square minus n by 2. Fifth rule is n square plus 5. Okay, so idu conditions. 5 rules or 5 conditions. Now we will start with the questions. So first question series is 20, 90, 132 and 462. This is the question. So ivaga ee 5 rules alli which rule is this series following? Adu we should find it out. So first we'll start, okay, with the first rule in there we'll start. So if n square plus n is equal to 20. So ivaga n check ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ number match ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? Check for n is equal to 1. For n is equal to 1, n square plus 1 andre 1 square plus it is 2, not matching. Next, check for n is equal to 2. 2 square plus 2. What is 2 square? 2 square is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6, not matching. Try for next number. What is the next number? N is equal to 3. 3 square. 3 square is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Again, not matching. Try for n is equal to 4. N
4 square is equal to 16.
4 square plus 4. 4 square is 16. What is 16 plus 4?
20.
20. Nodi, it is matching. So directly you can tell option 1. Andre rule number 1. It is following rule number 1. Okay, artha aita? Ivaga same way you can check for other numbers also. Now n square plus n is equal to 90. So what is n andre? You can keep checking. I think it is 9. What is 9 square? What is 9 square?
81.
81.
1 plus 9.
81.
81 plus 9. Hence 9 square plus 9. 9 square is
90.
81. What is 81 plus 9? 90. Correct. So match ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. So the series is matching. So it is following rule number 1. What is rule number 1? N square plus n. Artha aita? Did everyone understand this question? It is simple. First rule is correct. The first rule is only correct. Okay, did everyone understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can try for other numbers. Ivaga for 20 n is equal to 4. For 90 n is equal to 9. 132 I think it is okay. What is 11 square? 11 square.
121.
Yes. Okay. So what is 11 square plus 11? Andre 121 plus 11.
132.
Yes, 132. So idu pattern match ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. For n is equal to 11, n square plus n ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we are getting 132. So option 1 is correct. Okay, ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Next question. Next one is 39, 68, 105 and 150. Okay, this is the question. So we'll try with first for n square plus n. Let us check. Okay, so ivaga again from beginning, from 1 from 2 atara you don't have to check continuously, check from big numbers andre you can check. Ivaga previous question alli we did for 4. What is 4 square plus 4? 4 square is 16, 16 plus 4 is 20. So 4 alla. Let's check for 5. 5 square plus 5. 5 square is 25. 25
25.
30.
plus 5.
30. Yes, so n is equal to 5 match ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Now next number is n is equal to 6. We'll check for n is equal to 6. 6 square is 6 into 6, 36. 36 plus 6,
42.
42. But ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 39 ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ clearly first rule is wrong. Okay, so first rule is not correct. So let us now check for second rule. Second rule ಏನು, divide by 2n multiply by 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3n by 2 should be equal to 39. So what is n? N is equal to 39 into 2 by 3. 39 into 2 is 78. What is 78 divided by 3?
26.
Okay. Okay, so fine. First number ke we got n is equal to 26. Let us check for the second number. 3n by 2 is equal to 68. N is equal to 68 into 2 divided by 3. Check madi. See, what is 68 into 2? 68 into 2 is 136. 136 divided by 3. Check madi. I don't think it is properly divisible. Into 3. 3 4s are 12 and it is 16. 3 5s are 15. Nodi, one reminder bartade. It is not properly divisible by 3. Correct? Reminder 0 bartilla. So that's why even rule 2 is wrong. Correct? Idu artha aita why rule 2 is wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
So rule 2 is also wrong. Let us now check for rule number 3. Rule number 3 is n square plus n by 2. Ivaga first rule alli we are doing n square plus n. Second rule alli we should do n square plus n by 2. Andre adu half ಮಾಡಿ again. Let us check for n is equal to 4. 4 square is, what is 4 square?
16.
16 plus 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2. What is 16 plus 2? 18. So it is not matching. For n is equal to 5, see, e rule ge we cannot use odd numbers. Why? Because odd number by 2 andre namge remainder 1 barutte. Correct? So we can't use odd numbers. Check for n is equal to 6. After 4, next even number is 6. So let us check for n is equal to 6. 6 andre enu? 6 square plus 6 by 2. What is 6 square?
36.
Yes, 36 plus, what is 6 by 2? 6 by 2 is 3. What is 36 plus 3?
39.
39. Match aagta idea? Is it matching?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's why rule number 3 is correct. Okay. So now 68 also you can check. Now after 6, which is the next even number?
Ma'am, 8.
8, correct. So we'll check for 8 now. 8 square plus 8 by 2. What is 8 square?
64.
64.
Plus, what is 8 divided by 2?
4.
What is 64 plus 4?
69.
Yes, is the next number match aagta idea? Is it matching?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, correct. So same ee tarane you should now check for n is equal to 10. Last idu check. Let's check. So why n is equal to 10? Because after 8, which is the next even number? After 8, which is the next even number?
10.
10. So that's why n is equal to 10. What is 10 square?
100.
100 plus 10 divided by 2 is
5.
5. So 100 plus 5 is 105. This is also matching. Okay, so that's why, which is the correct rule? Rule number 3. So idartha aita, did everyone understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, we'll check the next question. One 126, 174, 86 and 54. Okay, so idu again one by one try ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Check for n square plus n. So starting number idu starting number ನೋಡಿ. Fine, first ಇಲ್ಲಿ back side ಇಂದ start ಮಾಡೋಣ. 54 we'll check from back side, okay, because small number in the big number. We'll check for 54. So for first rule, n square plus n ನಲ್ಲಿ before question ನಲ್ಲಿ we did 6 for n is equal to 6. For n is equal to 6, 6 square plus 6. 6, what is 6 square plus 6? 6 square is 36. 36 plus 6 is
42.
42. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 54 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we'll check for one more number. Check for n is equal to 7. 7 square plus 7. 7 sevens are 49 plus 7. What is 49 plus 7?
56.
56. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ 54 ಇದೆ. So rule number 1 is not correct. Okay? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Why no rule number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so rule number 1 is not correct. Let's check for the next rule. 3n by 2 is equal to 54. So n is equal to 54 into 2 divided by 3. 54 into 2, what is 54 into 2? 100 divided by 3, what is it? 100 divided by 3.
36.
36. Okay, so n is equal to 36. Andre namage one proper number bantu. So which is fine. Let's check for the next number, 86. 3n by 2 is equal to 86. N is equal to 86 into 2 by 3. 86 into 2 is 86 into 2 is 172 divided by 3. Let's check. I don't think it is properly divisible. 3 5s 15, 2 7s are 21. So nodi one reminder barta ide. So it is not properly divisible. Ee tara one proper number baralla. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
That's why even rule 2 is wrong. Okay? So rule 2 is also wrong. Let us check for rule number 3. Rule number 3, what is it? N square plus n by 2. Okay, so fine. 6 in the, let us start. N is equal to 6. 6 square plus 6 by 2. 6 square is 36 plus 6 by 2 is 3. 39. Okay, so next n is equal to, it is division by 2 ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, so we cannot use odd number, only even numbers. So after 6, which is the next even number?
8.
8. So 8 square plus 8 by 2. 8 square is 64 plus 8 by 2 is 4. What is 64 plus 4?
68.
8. But nodi illi 54 ಇದೆ. So in between we have no number. So obviously rule 3 is also wrong. Okay. So now we'll check for rule number 4. Rule 4, you know, it is minus. Rule 4 is n square minus n by 2. So same numbers ke we'll check again. Okay. So 6 square minus 6 by 2. 36 minus 3. What is 36 minus 3?
33.
33. Now for n is equal to 8, 8 square minus 8 by 2. Andre 64 minus 4. What is it?
60.
60.
What is the first number here? 54. So obviously root 4 is also not correct. Okay, so now we'll check for fifth rule. N square plus 5 is equal to 54. So Andre n square is 54 minus 5. What is 54 minus 5?
49.
49. So what is n? N square is 49. So what is n here? Square of which number is 49?
7.
7.
7. Correct. So nodi proper n bantu. Now let's check for next number. N square plus 5 is equal to 86. Which implies n square is 86 minus 5. What is 86 minus 5?
86.
81.
81.
Square of which number
N
is
is equal
81?
9. 9 square.
Correct. So nodi clearly each number okay namge one proper n value barta ide. So here it n is 7, for this n is 9. For this one by one square of numbers you will get. So which is the correct option? Andre, which is the correct rule for this question?
5.
5. Correct. Rule number 5. Okay, so artha aita? Did everyone understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay, one last question. Fourth question, 33, 60, 95 and 138. Okay. Again, same procedure, but just now with previous question only we checked alva. So we saw this number 33. Where did we see it? We saw it in n square minus n by 2. N is equal to 6. Check this. What is 6 square minus 6 by 2? What is 6 square?
36.
36.
What is 6 by 2?
3.
3.
What is 36 minus 3?
33.
33.
Is it matching with the first number?
Yes, ma'am.
So first in the you can try, but now just third question only idu check madi. We checked this, correct? N is equal to 6k. We checked for this rule, so that's why I remember we remember this 33. Okay, so we can check for next. Just a minute. Okay. N is equal to 6. So after n is equal to 6, which is the next even number, illi only even number use madbeku, correct? Can I use a odd number? For these two rules, rule number 3 and 4, can I use odd number?
8.
Yeah, n is equal to 8, correct? Just idu answer madi. For rule number 3 and rule number 4, can I take n as odd number use madboda? Nanu, why am I taking only even after 6, 7 barattalva? Why am I telling 8? See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ division by 2 ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, correct? N divided by 2. Nodi, in 3 and 4, to both the rules, I am doing n by 2. Correct? Can you see this? N by 2?
Yes, ma'am.
3
Yes,
and
ma'am.
odd number, if I divide by 2, what will I get reminder?
1.
Yes, exactly 1. But namage reminder 1 beta. We want a proper quotient. Alva, we need a proper answer. That is why for these two rules, I am taking only even number. If you divide even number by 2, what will be your reminder?
1.
Even number, if I divide remainder, what will it be? What is 8 divided by 2? 8 divided by 2, okay, what is the remainder?
4.
4.
4 is the answer. 4 2s are 8. Remainder ಏನು?
0.
0. Correct. This is the remainder alva. This is remainder. This is called quotient. Okay. This is called quotient. This is called remainder. Okay. So now let us check for an odd number. Take an odd. I'll take 9. 9 is an odd number or not?
Yes, ma'am.
9 is odd. Divided by 2. What will I get? What is the remainder?
1.
1.
1.
Okay, Artha Aita, that is why I am taking only even numbers, because namge one remainder beta. We don't want remainder as 1. We should only get 0 as the remainder. Okay, so now after n is equal to 6, the next even number is 8. So let us check what is 8 square minus 8 by 2. What is 8 square?
64
100.
minus
64 minus what is 8 by 2?
4.
4. What is 64 minus 4?
60.
60.
60. Is it matching with the second number?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. So same, that's how you should do it. Next, what is the next even number after 8?
10.
10.
10 square minus 10 by 2. What is 10 square?
100.
100
Minus 5.
by 2, 5.
5.
So what is 100?
95.
95.
5.
Is it matching?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So for this question, which is the correct rule? Which rule number?
Rule number 4.
Rule number
4.
That's it. So is the concept artha aita for everyone? Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So same ee tarane irutte, just rules, different rules irutte, and the questions will also vary. So just you should just check for the conditions one by one. Okay, so ee tara n by 2 idre, you remember you should check for even numbers. Okay. But ಈ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ n by 2, it is 3n by 2. n by 2 na you are multiplying it by 3. So that's why illi you can take even or odd, any number, it is fine. Okay, but illi nodi separate ಆಗಿ n by 2 ಇದೆ. So that's why you are taking only even number. Did you understand why only even number here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So okay then, for today that's it. E topic artha aita, because tomorrow I will start a new topic. Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. Yes.
Okay.